folks, it's me again. This is a video. You know what? I'm just going to do one long video. See how it goes. First thing I have here is, first thing I should do is put the camera down. And I'll show you. The first thing on my video is I have two of these now. One good thing about these old skateboard thingies is they're made really good. You can put a really big thing of tape in here and a hole in the bottom, and they're fuzzy. I didn't think it was bright red. I didn't even notice. I bought this because I want to practice machining one of these things. I want to make, there's two of them. I use a lot of Scotch tape, the smaller rolls. So I'm going to make a thing for the smaller rolls on here. I'll machine out of a block of aluminum I have over there. Small little thing. Get that done. And I might just, I don't know if I should sand it down or see how this thing, I don't know. Should I mess with it? Should I leave the fuzz on the bottom? Keep it nice and old? See, if I make it nice and new, there's a good chance nobody will chuck it in the garbage after I drop dead. They'll be like, oh, look at this nice new stapler. So, there's one thing. Anyway, that's that. I also picked up this stuff. Small little packet. I know if you go to Ace Hardware, you can buy the, what do you call it? What the hell is it? The giant man packs, I guess I call them. The big giant packs. I think it was like $9.99. I think they're the same price in Canada and US. What do I plan to do with this? Oh, yeah, body work, man. Body work. Engine repair. That's the kind of thing. So yeah. Take this out of here. Come on, get in there. JB Weld, somebody knows what it is. No introduction needed. Got one of these. We all know what it's for. It's for doing shitty repairs on stuff. That's what it's for. Might be a little brighter in here. Okay. JB Weld. In case somebody knows what JB Weld is. I don't know if it's too bright here, but this. Anybody know if the shit freezes? If temperature is below 40 Celsius, setting time will be longer. Below 40 is like minus 20, 29, below 40. Anyway, I'll put that on the side. Got that. And what else did I get? Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. What else? Oh, picked up an oil can. Not really sure how this, I don't know if this unscrews or what, but it has a swivel on it. Okay, is it unscrewing? Why did I buy this? Oh, why the hell not, right? I think it's missing a nozzle, but it's made by Plews. Does it work? There must be somebody that makes a replacement oil can nozzle somewhere. I bought this one, and it's pretty cool. What do you call it? Yeah, it covered all the goodies up. It was like $5 on ePay. It's got a little bit of rust on it. The chrome is coming off. It probably leaks like a sieve, for all I know. I also picked up one of these. This is a Eagle number 66. Yes, I was watching somebody's video out there, and I saw them going like this, going squirt, squirt. And I'm like, wait a minute. These ones all have the squirt, squirty. This one has a little trigger finger one. So I was like, ooh. I want one with a trigger finger. Then I was wondering, like, should I polish this thing? Because it looks polishable. It's, I think it's brass. It's in decent shape. Eagle. Look at that. It doesn't have the little tippy cover. The cover comes off. You can see the guts inside. Not really, but seems pretty, yeah, pretty okay. I will test it out at a later date. So yeah, that's all good. So I don't have 2 weld guns. Leave those here for purposes other than whatever. Right over there. There's the oil can over there. I also picked up this thing, the antique store. It is a an old saw handle. Just surprisingly, the blade comes out. Doesn't stick too far back. It's rusty as all hell. I'm assuming the blade doesn't go in that far. It's all rusty. I'm gonna vapor rust it. There's no patent numbers, no name, no nothing. I just thought it was cool. Little hacksaw. Picked it up for like $2. Could probably use it. Does it work on aluminum? Let's see. Oh, it takes off. What do you call it? Die cam. I'm guessing it was just simple painted black. I would check to see if it fits a hacksaw blade, but I don't feel like it. So we'll leave this over here. This crap. That's another thing I picked up. I also picked up, I've told you about this before, I picked up another camera mount and little set of jaws. What I plan on doing with this is what I have. I have 3 of these things. They're not cheap, but this one's plastic. Plastic ones, they break and they just fly right off and your phone dies. This one, put this on here and take this off of here, see? You screw this on. I don't know why this thing isn't made to fit perfectly on here, but you know what? You take this gizmo, there's a rubber pad on there, tighten it up, and then when you're doing videos, you can just pop it in there like that, and then take this one and bring it somewhere else. Like this one I have on the camera here is set up exactly like this. If I want to bring it over there to my lathe, I bought a couple extra of these little cups and I just pop it in. There's no fussing or mussing. This stupid little claw here is all solid. This is an Ulanzi Ironman 3 ST14, if anybody knows what the hell that means. This is a Ulanzi Quick Connect. And this is made by Ulanzi also, this thing. So if you're doing the YouTube videos, they're all billet aluminum, anodized. They all have like it's a little bit of an expense, but hey, it's a pretty decent expense, because if you're in the I make videos, what do you call it, career, well, guess what? It's a couple of bucks to dish out. See this thing, it just clamps on. Ta-da! So anyway, I have those. If you look up some of my videos, you'll see them in other videos. They work great. I have one. The reason why I bought another one is because my cash register in my store, the little Interact thing, it's a tiny little portable Interact thing, and it sits in there. And I was like, it's driving me nuts. We use a little suction cup thing, kept falling on the floor. So I gave it this, my other one, and oh well, that's that. I also picked up this. What is this? This is a table clamp thing here. Same thing, it's made by Camvate, some fake Chinese company. This is aluminum, rubber thing, all aluminum. This might be a plastic handle. This comes off, right, where is it? This unscrews right here. You can take the camera mount and screw it in here. You can screw the camera in here. You can put the camera over here, put over here, put over here, put over here. You can screw this on this way if you want. You can put it on this way. You can put it on this way. I bought it just to see if I can hook up this gizmo. Possibly, I bought it possibly for my milling machine, because hooking up cameras on that thing is quite a pain in the ass, to be honest. It's not the easiest. So I want to see how it works. I think it was like 20 bucks. There's even a little peanut screw to take that out. I don't like buying the plastic ones anymore. So if it doesn't say aluminum, steel, titanium, or some other thing, I'm not gonna buy it. Maybe not titanium, but you know what I mean. So anyway, I got that. The next thing I picked up is a magnetic micro square, which I could have swore I I don't know. I could have swore 4 inches was bigger than this. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they also suggest online that if you buy one of these, you probably should measure and see if it's actually the right length. So, is it 4 inches? See, the 4 inches is a little bit, it's right on there. 4 1/4 inches. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought 4 inches was a little bigger. It's one of these. It's pretty good. You can see the name on here. Magnetic Micro Square Pro Carpenter. It just sits on there. I should probably get my other square and see if this one is square. Because apparently a lot of these things come out of China and they're not square. So it's got 2 little magnets on the bottom. It's pretty cool. Magnetic Micro Square fast cap. So that's that. And what else? I picked up Siemens breakers. Not very exciting. Nothing really to do with my channel. I buy these in America because Home Depot around here, I think they're between 15 and 20 bucks. Lowe's in the US, they are $7 and something cents. So even with the exchange, I save about $5. So 5, 10, $5 on all these is $20 in my pocket. And the guy at the border who was like, yeah, I bought all my stuff. The guy at the tower, who I have to declare all this shit. I'm like, yeah, I bought a couple of, what do you call it? Breakers for my house. And he's like, yeah, man, I bought everything in, what do you call it? In America, it's so much cheaper there. And so better turn them off so, nobody gets electrocuted. So yeah, I picked up these. It was like 30, what, I don't know. Close to 30 bucks with the Gatorade I got with it. And oh yeah, I picked up these 2 right here. These things. Since I'm done wiring, I picked up these little connecty things here at Lowe's. They're 100 little connectors. You don't see these in, I mean, I don't know, I didn't really look through the entire Home Depot in my neighborhood, but I haven't seen these in you would figure they'd put it right near all the electrical around here. Maybe it is, I haven't seen them. But I guess maybe I go to the States, I look at everything, and here I'm just fed up with it because everything's super overpriced. So yeah. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here. And like I said before, don't forget to click some buttons down there, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And if you are one of my subscribers, thanks for watching. If you watch my channel every morning, you know who you are. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. I want to see that car finished. I want to go for a ride in it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. Take care.